growing trends of technology and usage of IoT, you do understand all youngsters who will be actually soon coming into the industries. So we need to understand what is the importance of this safety summit and why we are actually initiating this. So you understand there are too many things that can be focused in 2026. Most of our safety would be now driven by trends and technologies like data-driven safety and innovations. And you have building strong safety culture. That means you have to show a strong commitment from top. And for that, we need everybody to be aligned, and everybody should know what's the bare minimum required. Today's focus of lecture will be on two major and critical parameters. One is the compliances, why we should have compliances and codes. So, Vishwanath and sir will be talking on that, and immediately after that, we will be having a very important lecture again on high-rise building and fire safety. So these are the two things we are actually aiming to drive through today's session. If you see, there are a lot of smart wearables. Even in Constro exhibition, if you go around, you must have seen there is a lot of focus given on wearable safety, what you could say, PTs. You have seen there are helmets being demonstrated and displayed, which is again a very hard work which is done for the last 1.5 years. And we have actually come into a zone where we can say that we have a helmet which can take care of all the aspects of safety and execution and give you data on real time. So that has been given. If at all you have not seen, please visit the site PCRF. Torii University Research Foundation has already put up stalls, and there are people who will actually explain to you all the details. So we have those wearables, AI cameras. I think everybody is aware of this. Okay, artificial intelligence cameras can be actually trained and maybe programmed to give you right alerts. Proximity sensors are there, which will tell you if you know you are going to some edge protections or you are going to some floor openings where you are not supposed to be. Those sensors will alert you and tell you how it should not be done, and it will send alerts to all the concerned people and they can take necessary action. So that's another one that we are going to do. Yes, so virtual reality, we have a lot of simulators where if at all some offline trainings are not possible for awareness and to educate people, you can go into these technologies. Drone usage, today you must have seen even in the auditorium we are using drones to actually shoot. And this can be actually become a major tool in case high-rise buildings where easy access cannot be done by people or it's very costly affair. Then drones can be used to give you data and also sometimes to give you real-time data and examples. And mental health focus in construction industry, going into a lot of high pressure and high time bound projects. You know, everybody gets into this mode where you will be actually pressurized. So we would also want you to please focus on the mental health of people who are working on construction site. Many companies have already initiated many things to see that people who work, they also have a good balance of life and work. And entertainment is done, people are being taken care. If there is some intervention required, counseling required, we can do that. So that also being done. Data driven, yes, I think most of the companies are taking. So you youngsters, please understand, not only getting your engineering degree is enough. You may have to go a step ahead and get yourself updated with all these things, so that you are ready for the industry. That's our intention. Why we are actually trying to drive this summit and safety summit through. Can go next, ma'am. Okay, so this is leadership commitment. I told you it has to be top driven, and companies have actually benefited in the last 10-12 years who have participated and who have been with PCRF for the safety award, webinars and other sessions. They know how important this is, why it has to be driven from top, and at different organization level it has to be defined and it has to be carried forward. So that was the thing. Key takeaways, these are some key takeaways for everybody. Okay, so I would want you to understand why we started this safety summit, and for that